In this video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem using trigonometric substitution. So the problem is the integral of x dx all over the square root of 16 minus x squared. So we can see that the problem is written in this form: a squared minus u squared, or 16 minus x squared. Our a here is 4 and our u is x. So if we see a squared minus u squared, we can make a substitution. U is equal to a sine theta. So we're going to plug in u, that would be x. A is 4, then sine theta. So this will serve as our first equation. Then we're going to derive this. So this would be dx is equal to 4 cosine theta d theta. So this will serve as our second equation. Then we're going to form a right triangle here. Then let me just rewrite this as sine theta is equal to x over 4. So we know that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So our opposite here is x. Then our hypotenuse is 4. So this would be equal to 16 minus x squared, the square root of it, okay? So from there, let's get what is the value of cosine theta. So we know that cosine theta is equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse. So our adjacent here is the square root of 16 minus x squared. Then our hypotenuse is 4. Then we're going to multiply both sides by 4. So we'll get 4 cosine theta is equal to the square root of 16 minus x squared. So this will serve as our third equation. So let me just rewrite our problem earlier. The integral of x dx all over the square root of 16 minus x squared. So let's now substitute what we know. We know that x is equal to 4 sine theta, and dx is equal to 4 cosine theta d theta. And we know that the square root of 16 minus x squared is equal to 4 cosine theta. Then we can now cancel 4 cosine theta here, and we'll be left with 4 the integral of sine theta d theta. So let's now integrate sine theta d theta. If we integrate sine theta d theta, that would be equal to negative cosine theta plus c. Let me just rewrite this as negative 4 cosine theta plus c. But we need to rewrite cosine in terms of x, okay? But we already get the value of cosine theta as the square root of 16 minus x squared all over 4. So let's just substitute it. Negative 4 times the square root of 16 minus x squared all over 4 plus c. And we can cancel 4 and 4 here, and we'll be left with negative the square root of 16 minus x squared plus c. So that's the answer to the problem. I hope you guys learned something today, and see you again next time.